Rock of Ages, play for me. Let me hide myself in thee. Let the water and the blood from thy wounded side will flow. Be of sin the double cure. Save from wrath and make me pure. Not the labor of my hands can fulfill the Lord's demand. Could my zeal no respite know? Could my tears forever flow? Oh, for sins could not atone, thou must save and thou alone. Nothing in my hand I bring, simply to the cross I cling. Naked come to thee for dress, helpless look to thee for grace. Fall I to the fountain fly, wash me, Savior, or I die. While I draw this fleeting breath, when my eyes shall close in death, when I rise towards the unknown, and behold thee on thy throne, Rock of Ages, play for me. Let me hide myself in thee.